up, guys? Got a 1964 C200 Honda. We went ahead and changed the voltage regulator underneath here, charged the battery, and when I went to take it back to the customer, I rode it for a little while and it pretty much caught fire with the wiring. So we went ahead and we did all new wires to the ignition and one wire all the way back to the battery. I added in a fuse so that this wouldn't happen again and it would just pop the fuse. When I first got the bike, it did not have a fuse. Put a 10 amp fuse. It's a 6-volt system in here, so we had to get a 6-volt regulator right here. And we got new headlights. We went with an LED with the headlight. That's the only one I wanted to transfer over because the LED is much brighter. We went with the old style bulbs inside here, and I also lubed up the throttle cable. Cool little bike. We also went and replaced the light bulb in the rear and made sure that that was all working with the brake and everything, so it gets brighter once you hit the brake pedal. We went and we rebuilt the carburetor right here. Got new gaskets in it. I put a new hose on it. I know it's not the right hose, but it's what I had. Put in a new hose from here to the intake system. The customer is getting this, and when it comes in, we will be putting this on and putting this directly to that and getting rid of this little plugger. Has a little oil leak. I want to say I haven't seen it for sure, but seems like it's coming from the chain. So at least the chain will stay nice and lubed. Other than that, this bike was from Japan, as you can see with those weird Japan number. When I went on Partzilla to find these numbers for these taillights for the 6-volt, I couldn't find them anywhere. So unfortunately, we have not been able to locate those or get these running. I'm sure that I actually checked to make sure that there was power. There is power there. It's just no bulbs. Customer's gonna get a new seat cover. Other than that, I told her try to keep it as original as possible. New throttle cable, and the cables are, good to put new on, but other than that, keep it as original as possible. This thing is a beauty for 1964. These are the wires that we had to replace, and I know it doesn't look pretty, but it's what I had to deal with. This baby started. Gas on. Key on. Kickstick. One kick.